Oh crap, I forgot to push the record. Anyways, so here's an update. We're pretty much pooking everything up.
Yeah.
Sealing, making sure all the little details are done. That's the part that takes the longest. Got that UV tapped in, a new return. We still have the other one here. That's like a 16-inch. Up there we got a 12-inch. Got our flue all done. Got our gas with a little leg there. PVC primary. Got a float switch. Got a secondary to the drain pan there. And we did do a cut-in as far as a new return. This here's the switch. It was hardwired in. And once we're ready, we'll turn that on, start everything up, and we'll post another video shortly.